Hey card makers, what does 1 sheet of patterned paper, 12 sheets of cardstock, 1 stamp set, 1 punch, 3 ink colors, a set of embellishments, and some twine get you? 12 beautiful cards for every occasion. But most importantly, you're going to gain card making confidence, a huge sense of accomplishment, and you're going to get rave reviews from whoever you send them to. But that's not all. You're going to learn how to pick which papers work and don't work for these cards, so you can use up your stash and not buy any more. You're going to know how to decide on the best word stamps so you make the best buying decisions. And you're going to get 18 cool techniques. They're going to give you never-ending card variety, tips to save you time and elevate your card making so every card showcases your artistic talent. This is a recorded class, so you can watch it whenever is good for you. So click that Get It Now button and come along for a great online class.